the best way to diagnose patients for BASIL 2 is via a catheter angiogram. And once you've catheterized the artery, it's really quite difficult to hold back from intervention. It's very tempting, if you've got consent, to just poke with a guide wire and see if you can get through a lesion. So even if there is a possible surgical alternative, you almost have to be tied, have your hands tied back to prevent you from going ahead and having a go at the endovascular approach. We're reluctant to take the catheter out. And there's good reasons for that, because if the patient's randomized to endovascular, we may have to repuncture at a later date, and also that requires another potential inpatient bed and all the possibilities of cancellation, etc. So one way we've got round that issue in central Manchester is we get our diagnostic angiograms, the catheter diagnostic angiograms are done by one of the radiographers, and she does a retrograde catheterization of the artery, and she gets beautiful diagnostic pictures on a day case, outpatient basis, so we don't need an inpatient bed. It's retrograde, so it's low risk. She doesn't have the skills or the authority. I'm sure she has the skills. She doesn't have the authority to do the angioplasty as well, and so there's no temptation there. So we have, whenever possible, divided up absolutely the diagnostic angiogram from the therapeutic procedure, and we can review those diagnostic pictures at the MDT and decide on suitability for inclusion.